Hello everyone. Today we will understand what is whistleblowing, who is whistleblower with the help of suitable example. Whistleblowing in a management context refers to the act of an employee or an individual within an organization reporting unethical or illegal or fraudulent activities to its higher authorities or to any external entities. This is typically done to expose wrongdoing and to protect the organization's integrity. Here is an example of whistleblowing. Let's say you work for a large pharmaceutical company and you discover that some colleagues in the research and development department are involved in falsifying test data for a new drug. And this could have serious health implications for patients. As a conscious employee, you decide to blow the whistle on this unethical behavior. You report the fraudulent activity to your manager. But if they are also involved or if they turn a blind eye, you may have to escalate the matter to higher management or even to the regulatory agencies. By doing so, you are acting as a whistleblower and with the intention of preventing harm and ensuring ethical standards are upheld within the organization. Whistleblowing can be a complex ethical dilemma as it often involves personal and professional risks for the whistleblower himself. But it plays a crucial role in maintaining the transparency, the accountability, and the ethical standards in the organizations. Management courses often cover this topic to help future leaders understand the ethical considerations and legal protections related to whistleblowing. Let's see one more example of whistleblowing. Imagine you work for a financial institution and you come across evidences that your colleagues in the loan department are approving loans for individuals who actually do not meet the creditworthiness criteria. Now, these actions are putting the bank at a risk of substantial financial losses and could also lead to a financial crisis. You decide to report this misconduct to your supervisor. But if your concerns are not addressed, you may feel compelled to report it to higher authorities, such as regulatory bodies like the SEC or the bank's board of directors. This is a case of whistleblowing aimed at preventing financial wrongdoing and protecting the institution's stability and the reputation. Whistleblowing can take many forms, and the decision to blow the whistle is often a challenging one that really requires careful considerations of the potential consequences after it, and also the individual's ethical responsibility is to expose harmful activities. We can understand it better with one more example of whistleblowing. We can suppose you work for a large technological company and you discover that the company is knowingly selling a product with severe security vulnerabilities that could lead to data breaches and privacy violations for customers. You raise your concerns with the product development team, but they ignore your warnings and continue to market the product. Now, fearing the potential harm to customers, you decide to blow the whistle on the company by disclosing this information to either the cybersecurity authorities or even the media. Your intention is to protect consumers and ensure that the company takes responsible actions to address the security issues in its product. Now, whistleblowing in this scenario aims to safeguard the public interest and hold the company accountable for providing safe and secure products, even if it means exposing their own unethical behavior. Hence, whistleblowing is the act of an individual, typically an employee within an organization, revealing information about unethical or illegal or any fraudulent activities taking place within that organization. This information is disclosed to authorities or regulators or maybe to the public to expose the wrongdoing and to protect the accountability. Whistleblowers often take this step to prevent harm and to protect the organization's integrity and uphold ethical standards. It can be a challenging and morally driven decision as whistleblowers may face personal and professional risk for coming forward. This concept is a significant topic in management and in business ethics as it plays a crucial role in maintaining transparency and integrity within the organization. This was the whistleblowing topic, and if you like this video, then please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Have a good day.